All right, what is going on, guys? It is December 1st, first day of the new month. I just fucking spilled water all over myself. Um, but today was the first day of trading for December, and I ended up hitting a banger, made just shy of 10 bands today. Um, Over 13 accounts. So here's why I took what I took. So, coming into today, I was pretty mixed on bias. It's also, the first day of the month, first day of the week, so there could be a little bit of manipulation. We were respecting this daily gap pretty well, but at open, we were doing a good job of also respecting this bearish hourly gap, and we had kind of been dancing around this daily gap that I felt like it was losing its strength a bit, right? So let's go to the replay mode. So I also noticed we had session highs above, so that made me start to think, okay, maybe we're more bullish. We ended up getting this move off open with this internal SMT. As you can see, we didn't take out the low on ES, but we took it out on NQ. So I really, really liked this move, and we just couldn't get a gap. And then, even then, we opened a 1 minute, and I wanted to get like a 15 or a 30 second out of there, take it like 1-to-1, but we couldn't even get that. Thankfully, we then decided to make another move down. And what happened on this move down? Like I said, I was kind of starting to lose faith in this, in this daily gap. It was kind of losing its strength. But we make one more move down, and what do? We come and take out this 15-minute low, making a huge SMT. ES was nowhere near this. So we took out the lows that took out London low with a fat SMT, while also retapping the 50% of that 4-hour gap, or of that daily gap, right? So here it is. So we make that move down, right? And what do? We take out the lows for the SMT. Look at the reaction off the 50%, aka the dotted line right here of this gap. Just shows how effective the CE of gaps can be, the 50% level of the gap can be. Amazing reaction with the SMT. So I go down, there's no gap on the 1 minute, but look at the momentum through the 30-second gap here. So now you think about it, we have an external SMT, we have a 30-second inverse with fantastic momentum, the 50% of the daily gap has been tapped yet again, great close, I actually got in pretty late here, great break-even point with these highs, pretty relative, and then a TP at this gap. I believe I took it a little bit lower because I was trailing my stop very aggressively. And boom, take profit smashed in literally a minute. Like literally a minute. We did it on the live stream for free. As I said, my draw was London and Asia highs, but due to consistency rule, I actually didn't want to hold too crazy of runners. But look at this. Boom. Probably would have been out right here when ES hit it and NQ didn't, but then NQ ended up going up and hitting them anyway. And yeah, so that was the trade. Like I said, you got to take it from a top-down standpoint. You got to figure out your bias first. Fuck, I just opened up NinjaTrader. Fuck. There we go. So you got to know your bias. So 12-1, I didn't really know. I was like, leaning bearish. We aren't reacting well off the bullish gap and are now flipping and respecting the 1 hour. I would like to see an external SMT form here, but nothing obvious. May just wait for news. Finally, we come back down and form an external SMT, like an actual effective SMT. And then, as you can see, we make an immediate reaction off of it because SMTs are just so powerful. Great momentum, great V shape. You always want to see a V shape off your level. That's a V. So, great inverse, great gap, very good size, good targets with this high, and then obviously the session highs above gets you that nice dub, maybe 10K and a 15-minute work day. All right, catch y'all.